Hey guys, my name is Marlo with Vegas Mini Mansion. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to grill pizza with a ceramic stone, and also we're going to use fire brick, guys. So I know you've been seeing all these kits online. You probably don't know which one to purchase, but I created a way to where you can create it for cheap and get it started on the grill, guys. So guys, I am the original Big Kahuna. I'm sure you've heard of Big Kahuna in the Pulp Fiction movie. Big Kahuna Burger, there was a scene in Pulp Fiction. What they're talking about is this place called Big Kahuna's Pizza. That's where I started working as a 15-year-old kid. I've made thousands of pizzas, guys, thousands of pizzas. And we made like the Chicago deep dish pizzas. We did not make wood-fired pizzas, but I purchased one of those expensive wood-fired pizza ovens. I'll show you right now. And when I first purchased that wood-fired pizza oven, I was like, wow, you still have to heat up that oven 45 minutes to an hour just to create a pizza, guys. So I was like, wait a moment, I want to help people create their own wood-fired pizza oven on their grill. So this is not a recipe video, but what I do want to tell you is, have you ever created a pizza and you were like, wow, you know, my pizza's not as good as the restaurants? So I'm going to tell you, there's a little bit of secret. You got to use 00 flour. You got to use low moisture, listen, low moisture mozzarella so your pizza's not watery. And also, it's also all about the heat. You got to have fast heat. And I have a strategy. Listen up, guys. Like I said, I am the original Big Kahuna. I know so because the original owner who created Big Kahunas, before he died, he says, Marlo, you are the Big Kahuna. I wish I was joking, but guys, I'm gonna show you this strategy. You gotta pay attention so you can just make this this way of making a pizza real easy for your family. Like I said, it's all about heat. So you gotta really pay attention to this video. We're gonna do it with the fire brick, the pizza stone, and I use these smoker tubes, and we're gonna put the little pellets inside, and you put it to the rear, and that's how you get it started. That's how you get your oven heats like a little bit over $100, guys, and you will make pizza just like you had a wood-fired pizza oven, guys. No joke. So let's get started with this video. All right, guys, here's the setup. So here's the ceramic stone. You need to know the correct ceramic stone. I got the brick. I got 1, 2, and then 2 in the back. 1, 2. These are relatively cheap. I think they're like 25 bucks. If that, these smoker tubes are like $12. And then I have this cast iron here. So I chose these items because you can use these items even when you're not even making pizzas. So make sure this ceramic stone, the top is facing down when you're heating it up your grill. We're gonna go for 45 minutes. I'm gonna show you how good it tastes, the crunch, just like you were to have your own wood-fired pizza oven. So here's my wood-fired pizza oven. I know exactly what I'm talking about, guys. All right, guys, the first step is to remove these heat plates from the barbecue grill, which will allow the open flame to come up to the ceramic platform here and make it hotter faster, guys. All right, guys, I just turned on the grill. You're gonna turn it on to high, guys. We gotta preheat the oven, the barbecue grill, for 45 minutes, 35 to 45 minutes. So guys, this is the ultimate secret on how to get these pellets in here lit up. You absolutely should use these strike a fire sticks. I'm just gonna half it, just put 1/2 in there. And you just basically put it in like this and then light it. Okay guys, you absolutely need this because this is what gets it very hot on the rear to make that pizza. These are dirt cheap. I'll direct you on where to get it, guys. So guys, this is the setup. The tube's in the back. The bottom one, there's no pellets. The top one is the pellets and the fire starter. So that's how you set it up, guys. Right here. And we got a pizza oven right here, guys. Boom. That's the secret right here, guys. Should only take about a good 3.5 to 4 minutes. Make sure you're spinning that pizza, guys. As you can see on that end, it's getting hot. Woo. Just like that, guys. Hot pizza. Alright guys, look at the bottom of that pizza, just like a wood fire pizza oven. Look at that, nice. Look at that crunch, guys, look at that. Unbelievable. Woo. Alright guys, so we got the pizza with the perfect crunch. I want you guys to hear this crunch, guys. Listen to that. Hear that thing crunch, guys. Listen to that. Look at that. Sits up nice and straight, nice and crispy. Look at that. Perfect.